In preparation for the STAAR Grade 8 Math, let's solve some questions on approximation. So we want to approximate the value of an irrational number. Don't forget that an irrational number is a number that when you change it to decimal, when you convert it to decimal, the decimal number never ends and never repeats. It never ends and it never repeats. So now we want to approximate. Since it does not have an end, then we should be able to approximate it. So let's approximate. The area of a square wall is 182 square feet. Which measurement is 182 square feet? Which measurement is closest to the side length in feet of the wall? Don't forget that for a square for a square we have length, and length. So if the formula for the area of a square, area is equal to length square. So that means 182 is equal to L square. So L will be equal to the square root of 182. That's what we were asked to calculate. We have to find the length. So that will be the square root of 182, and that will be 13.490737563. You can see that it never repeats and it never ends. So we are now to find the measurement that is closest to it. 91 is far from it, 45 is far from it, 54 is far from it. So the closest to it is 13.5, and that is how to approximate. So now a student solved the equation x squared equals 132 to find the length of the diagonal of a square in centimeters. Which measurement is closest to x? We are still talking about a square here, the square of a square. I mean the area of a square, and calculating the length. So the same way I calculated the first one, calculate this. Find the length in centimeter, the approximate length in centimeter. So now the point on the number line represents the values of four different numbers. Which point best represents the value of root 3? First, what is root 3? Root 3 is equal to 1.7320 and so on. So which point is closest? The question is now asking that which point best represents this. So 1.7, this one, if this is 1, this point is 1, so it can't be this point. This point is 3, it can't be this point. This point is 1.5, it can't be this point. So it is 1.73. So it is between 1.5 and 2. So that means it is point C, and that is how to locate points on approximate points on number line. This is 1.5. So if this is 1.5, this will be 1.7. That is the approximate. So now point Q is on the number line. Which value is best represented by point Q? So all we have to do is find the square root of 5.4. Square root of 5.4 is 2.32. Let's just pick 2 digits after the decimal. Square root of 29.5. Square root of 29.5 is 5.43. Let's stop there. Square root of 35.5 is 5.95, and square root of 5.9 is 2.42. So if you look at this, this is 4. This is 5, this is 6. So this means this place is 5.5. So that means point Q is not up to 5.5. It is not 2. So it cannot be this and it cannot be this. So it is between B and C. But this midpoint is 5.5. So 5.4, this will be 5.9 will be around here. So that C will be around here. So that means it is this place. It is closer to 5.5. So that means it is B. So now you will answer this one yourself. Which point on the number line best represents the location of root 92? Find root 92 and determine which point best represents it. And lastly, Paula completely covered a square wall using this of wallpaper without any overlap. Which measurement is closest to the side of this wall in feet? So the area is 87.5 feet square. So you have to find the length like we did earlier. And that will be all for this for approximation of irrational number. And I will see you in the next one.